Welcome back. Please hit like and subscribe. Today just going over, I bought a new shed. It's 12 by 10. Got it from Country Time in Pennsylvania, Amish built. Anyway, so here we go. You can see I've done some work today and inside. So I've added all the different storage shelves on the top. Some Rubbermaid fast track hooks, and then I got basically built another rail there and the shelves and another fast track. So keep gotta organize it. You're gonna put some bins up top, those kind of things, cushions, everything else. But I want to give you an idea of what I did to this. Not the longest video. Shed is really well made. They put it on top of rocks, you know, bedding. I'll show you that in a second, but very happy with it. So it was kind of wasted space, a lot of it. It was just, you know, open, and then I put it in there. Couldn't believe how much wood cost. So about $300 worth of materials in here. I say I'll let Michelle help me. And you see they put it on like railroad ties on the ground, and then they made it the exact same width. Now they said they used to go 1 foot over, and then there's stone underneath. You can kind of see it there. They used to go 1 foot out on each side, but they said it just didn't make any sense. I do have the rails for the aluminum. I have to bring another one there that's 2, so I can't leave them on the ramps over there while the doors close. So that's kind of it, but it's freed up a lot of space in my garage, and pretty happy with it. So please hit a like, hit subscribe. Any suggestions on what else to do, how to get things organized, we greatly appreciate it. But I got a lot more to fill up in here, and just keep it organized. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.